Hi, today I want to talk about one of the values of Agopti being customer satisfaction. Agopti is a really useful tool for customer relationship management. And the reason I say that is it will allow your customers to be able to go in, submit orders, but then also see status of orders, as applied information, inventory, as well as give them reports at their fingertips as well, and data processing on their end. So what I want to do is I want to show you what your retailers can see. So I'm going to log in as a retailer, and what your retailers will see is a Google map of all of their orders that they've had this year, along with what status that order is in, and that's a real time. As you update your orders, they will see the same updates. They will also get an overview of how many acres in each status, as well as they can manage their own order releasing. So if they have orders that are on hold that aren't quite ready to be sprayed, they can go in and manually release them as they're ready. They can also, per agronomist, look at what orders they have. They can look at their inventory. So if they're delivering chemicals to you, you can input those as delivery tickets so they can have a record of what they've brought to you and when. And they'll also be able to see a balance of how much more they have to take to you in order to fill out all of their remaining orders or outstanding orders. They also, for orders, they can search through their own. It's a really easy tool to be able to filter. If they want to find a sprayed order, they can go into it, see who sprayed it, see when they sprayed it. If you upload your as applied information, they can see the actual polygons of what you have sprayed. They can also do order exporting of Excel spreadsheets and Google Maps and everything like that in order to do whatever data analysis that they want. And so not only is it good for your customers because they have real-time updates and they know exactly what is going on and when, they also are the ones that will then be taking the time to submit orders and ensuring that their orders are correct, and they will be able to ensure that everything is correct per order and that you have all the information that you need to go do what you need to do, and that's to spray. So hopefully this gives a little bit of an overview of the value that your customers will see and how that will help you as an operator in efficiency and value and in spraying more acres. Thanks. Bye.